Hello everyone, this is Joe from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a warranty repair on this Eureka XL that came back to us in the shop. And pretty much what was happening originally when they first brought it into the shop is that the screen, when you went to go grind and you grind coffee, sometimes it would activate the timer, but it wouldn't activate the motor. And you would just hear electrical hum, which means that there was power running through it, but nothing was happening. And so when it was first dropped off with us, we weren't able to get that to happen. But we did do a full cleaning, replaced it with titanium burrs, deep cleaning the whole brew chamber, put it back together. Proceeding to repair, we did test it even more. Again, wasn't able to get it to happen, but when it was brought back to the customer's home, it happened again. And then it was brought back to the shop, and it started acting up here. And so what we did is we replaced the entire motor. As you can see here, this whole motherboard. Replaced the entire motherboard. It's the whole bottom of the machine. And so we replaced the entirety of it. And also had issues with the switch, so we replaced the switch also, but we will not be charging for this one. And now it's working. I was able to grind 3 hoppers without the issue happening. I did notice one little quirk of the machine. If you don't press this button in all the way, proper click, it does not activate the motor, but it does activate the timer. But now that we're here, we're just going to click the button. It's going to activate. It's just going to grind a little bit of coffee. We're going to grind through the whole hopper, or the rest of this hopper, just so we can show it off. Again, there goes second click, and then I can show you probably with this one, if I could get it to happen. If I barely tap the button, I wasn't able to get it. But yeah. So again, grinding more, we could grind a little bit more just to show that this is constant. And since these burrs are really big, it grinds through a lot of coffee really quick. As you can see, working constantly and working well. And we already did calibrate it back to a Espresso grind. I wouldn't go past 1 right now, just because you're going to start hearing the burrs chatter, which means that the burrs are touching each other, and you usually don't want that to happen. This is very good for Espresso. I actually brewed a few shots with it just to make sure. And yeah, that's about it for this warranty repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.